Oh, yes. Could you visit the theIACP.org? Yes. Founded in 1893. Yeah. And then just get me all of those chiefs of police that happen to be active duty military for the last, well, since 1893. We only have to go back to the 1800s. Yes. Now, let's say I sent you a copy of RI.PDF where I didn't receive actual notice of the hearing. Yes. I sent you copies of the actual chronological court record yesterday. Yes. Where you decided to have a court hearing 48 days after reissuing the temporary protection order. Right. And you issued it for 10 years. Oh. Then it says, I was not served. I was not served. Oh. But then you did serve me in the Sequim Public Library, but the proof of service says that it was the police department. But it wasn't. Now, it'd be misrepresentation material to the actual case right now. Now, there's the perjury of the person that signs it because it's not true and correct, but the actual document is misrepresentation. It's material. Look at that. Having some logical connection with the consequential facts. Oh, now it does say the item would affect a person's decision making, significant, essential. Yes, yes, yes. And then there, it's made out of paper, these different notices right now. Oh, misrepresenting that it was the Sequim Police Department that served me when it wasn't. Coach. I think it is material to the execution of the actual court service. Yes. Now, there was this attempt of service on August 18th of 2015. Yes. How can you attempt to serve the respondent when you already served the respondent? Pooch. Now, let's see, there was two. Well, if you did serve me, because I know you do, because I have a copy of the protection order and the weapon surrender form. Yes. And you did serve me in the Sequim Public Library, and approximately 40 library patrons witnessed the actual service. Yes. Exactly who the fuck was it that you served right now? I think it misrepresents that it was myself as the respondent. Yes. And I think it is material to this whole allegation of me being in Sequim, Washington on December 31st of 2015. Yes. And I think it is material to the 2-count criminal complaint from Jefferson County. Yes, it is. Now, I know these international associations of the chiefs of police. Yes. For every member of the IACP, pooch. IACP. I'm going to sue every fucking one of them right now. Okay. In all 93 nations of the world. Poo. Now, I thought this was so good that Bank of America is very supportive of those that are in police departments. Yeah. Yeah. They provide unmatched convenience in the United States, serving more than 54 million consumers. Yes. Small business relationships. Yeah. They have 5,700 retail banking offices and nearly 17,000 ATMs, and award-winning online banking with more than 19.8 million active users. Oh. Now, when you really think about it, Bank of America is number one in overall small business administration lending in the United States and number one SBA lender to minorities. Now, this SBA, could you get me the Small Business Administration? I've been wanting to start some businesses, and I know that it might not seem important to you, but when I'm wanting to earn an income and I'm wanting to make some money, yes, seems like there's a lot of misrepresentation that is material to the court cases.